India will reduce staff strength in the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi by 50% and recall a similar number of officials from its commission in Islamabad, India's foreign ministry said on Tuesday amid an ongoing diplomatic row between the two nations.
Amid the ongoing diplomatic tussle with Pakistan, India on Tuesday said it will reduce the staff strength in Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi by 50% and would recall half of its officials from Indian High Commission in Islamabad. Raising concerns over the activities of Pakistani officials in India, the Foreign Ministry told Pakistan's Charge d'Affaires to India that their envoys have engaged in acts of espionage and maintained dealings with terror organizations. India also cited the recent example of two Pakistani envoys who were expelled and sent back over charges of spying. It said the recent abduction at gunpoint of two Indian officials and their severe ill treatment underlines the extent to which Pakistan has gone in that direction. The Foreign Ministry said the Pakistan's behavior is not in conformity with Vienna Convention and bilateral agreements on the treatment of diplomatic and consular officials. Rattled by India's decision, Pakistan continued its blame narrative against New Delhi on the Kashmir issue. In a statement, Pakistan's Foreign Office claimed that they always function within the parameters of international law and diplomatic norms. Meanwhile, Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that they will also reduce the staff strength in the Indian High Commission in Islamabad by 50%.